Hi, hello. What I have today for you is Ather 450X floor mat, which I purchased from favorite auto accessory, which is located in Gujarat. I will leave the link in the description, so that's helpful for you. Let's go and unpack. This is a floor mat with blue and red, gray and black combination. It costed me 550 rupees. This is the floor mat design. This has got very good texture, and even this is very grippy with Ather logo, with Ather naming on the floor mat. The opposite side, it doesn't have any grip, so we need to use screws to put it in place. So this is the difference between the old and the new mat. This is a new floor mat which I purchased from favorite auto accessory, and this is the old one which I purchased from Chennai. This has the grooves to fit into the Ather's floorboard. You also have an option. You have an option for the screws to fit in.